Hello, saw your question in an email about section 7.2. It says find the p-value for the indicated hypothesis test with a given standardized test statistic z. So when I say z there, I know they're talking about the normal curve. Decide where okay, that's the second part. So I think it's the first part you're asking about. So, they do have z there, so I do know it's going to be a normal distribution. We want to find this p-value. It looks like you already found it, but what you need is, it's a two-tailed with a standardized, with a test statistic of negative 2.1. And so I'm going to go with StatCrunch. So I'll open StatCrunch here and go to Stat Calculators. We want to use the normal calculator, because it's a z-stat. You leave the mean at 0 and standard deviation at 1. So there's a couple ways we can work this. You can just put in the z equal negative 2.1 here and click compute. Now that gives you the area in red here is 0.0178642. But since it's a two-tailed test, there'd be another area that'd be the same to the right, and so you'd have to double this number to get that result. Second way you could do this is click between and then put the minus 2.1 here, and it is two-tailed, so we put positive 2.1 here, compute, and it gives us the area in red, which is 0.9642, etc. What you actually need the area in the tails, and so you go 1 minus that area, and you get this number up here. So you actually have two ways to do it. You could do between and two-tailed test. You could put these in. It gives you area in red. You need area in white, so you have to go 1 minus that. Or you can do the standard one and just put in the minus 2.1 compute, and it's a two-tailed test, and so you have to double this number. So that would be the number to the left. If you want to do the number to the right, you just have to do positive 2.1. You say, it'd be, they're equal. They have equal areas, so you have to double that one or add that to this other area. And I guess the let's see. The p-value is less than alpha, and if the p-value is less than alpha, that's when you reject the null hypothesis. If the p-value is greater than alpha, you would fail to reject. So I hope that helps.